So, coming out of Northampton to go to Joseph Cheaney, and I saw a sign, Saxon Church, and I just kept following the signs. When I get home, I'll find out what the exact postcode for it is. So, but you can, if you keep following the signs, you won't get lost. It's a bit roundabout. Takes you through a lovely little village. Brixworth, I guess. Yeah, Brixworth Music Festival, 20th to 29th April. Oh yeah. So here we go up here. Wow. 680 Saxon Church. Beautiful old stonework. Yeah, let's see if we can get in. It's very early, isn't it? That's Dark Ages. It's not even medieval. I don't know if we're allowed to go in. Lovely old tree there. Beautiful tree. Up to the door, see if we can get in. Oh yeah, it's open. So, is that 680? So there's the roof. Don't know if that's original or has it been renewed. I'll see if I can find something on the internet about it when I get home. So those, I don't think those windows are from 680. Oh, here's some lovely stained glass windows. To the glory of God and in memory of his Isabella something or other. Hang on, let's get a close look. 1888, is it? 1888, yeah. Beautiful stained glass windows. Yeah, Victorians were good at this stuff. Yeah, more windows here. And the window, here's Christ at the bottom, coming down from the cross. The glory of God. Isabella Bevan, 1888. Oh, so, yeah, these three windows, there's three of them, obviously put up by the grieving relatives. And, 1915, this window. And this one, 1913. Oh, look at that beautiful window. Wow, that's beautiful. Nice windows at the side, but this one's a knockout. My favourite word. Something good is a knockout. Victorian, I think. Yeah. So lots of stuff which obviously isn't from 680, but oh, this is nice as well, look. Here's the organ. So that's it for the church. I think that'll do it. These arches are interesting, aren't they? Wonder what style you would call that. Saxon, I suppose. I'll look this all up on the internet when I get home.